Hey, groovy Slimers!
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making one of my slimes into butter slime, and I'm going to show you how. What you'll need is just some magic model. I'm using white just because the slime I already have is colored and I don't want it to affect the coloring. And I'm also going to use some of this lotion to make this a little bit softer and easier to put into the slime. The top to make a spot for the lotion to come in. Then I'm just going to squeeze a small amount, some technical difficulties, a small amount of lotion, and then I'm just going to mix it up. Yeah, this might take a while. I will see you when it is all done and mushed. A lot of lotion. We probably used half of this small bottle, which is not a lot, 25 milliliters. But yeah, we put in quite a bit, and now it's a very slimy texture, and it feels just like butter slime, but we're gonna add it into another slime to give it an even cooler effect. It was actually given to us by a sponsor, Sweetslime'z, and they give really good slimes. As you can tell, this one's very stretchy. It's called Midnight Sky. You can buy it for yourself. I'm leaving the link in the bio, and don't forget to use Groovy Slime as a 10% off discount code when you buy any slime from them. And so yeah, this is the slime we're using, and it's really good. Put on top the wow, it's sounding really good. I don't know what's happening. It looks pretty. I hope it doesn't change the colors because the colors were really nice. So we will see you when all of this is all mixed up, and so yeah. And after all of the model magic, it is obviously not as blue. It's actually very white, but it's still pretty.
I guess.
Would have never known what it would have been like.
So I'm glad I did this.
This is what it looks like. It's a really nice slime. Just the colors, it's kind of different than it was before, and the colors are just so much different. I liked the colors before a lot better, I think. So yeah, this is the slime. It was definitely fun doing all of that to the slime, but there was little gold flecks in it before, and now the gold flecks look a little bit kind of weird. But I still like the slime, and I would definitely suggest it, doing this to a slime. It's very buttery now and super nice. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Again, the link is in the bio for the slime that we just bought, Midnight Sky. And also don't forget to use coupon code GroovySlime for 10% off your next purchase. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to hit that bell. Bye guys! See you in my next video.